In today's lesson, we are going to look at how we can use ChatGPT in Power BI to add comments in M language. We're going to open a dataset here. This is the dataset that we're going to use, and I'm going to link it in the description box. What you're going to do, we're going to format this dataset, and we also want the ChatGPT to add comments to the formatting that we do and all the other code that is contained in the M language. The first thing we'll do here, I'm going to look at a few things we can format. So we have a number of casualties. This is a whole number as it should be, and this is also a whole number. I want to see whether we can change this to a fixed decimal. Okay, let's stop. Let's not do that. So I'd like to delete this police column. We may not need it. Just a few formatting, although this dataset is pretty clean. Speed limit. Okay. Urban or rural area with a condition, that is very important. Vehicle type, this is in text. I think this is very okay. Let me see what we can change. Number of casualties, that is okay. Okay, nothing much to change here. So let's see how our code looks like. So we're going to come to Advanced Editor, and we can see the code. So what I want to have comments in this code and comments in the updated steps. We'll copy the entire code, and we're going to come back to ChatGPT, and this is where these AI tools are very effective because they automate some of these tasks. If you went step by step commenting on such a code or very, very long codes, probably you're formatting, you're working with a dataset that has a lot of formatting. It will take you a lot of time. Let me just redo this because I did not give any instruction. So we're going to ask it to add comments. As you can see, we have this load, access the data, promote the first row as headers, and you can see all these steps have been broken down to these comments. And this automates your task of commenting on each and every step that you carry in your, or any steps that you take in your formatting, which speeds up the amount of time you could have spent on this particular project is reduced. What you're going to do, we're going to copy, and we're going to come back to our Power BI here, and we'll paste. As you can see, we have the steps broken down, which was very fast. Unlike when you had so much formatting and so many steps so many formatting you've done to your dataset and you have to come formatting one by one. You can just easily copy the code, go to ChatGPT, ask it to comment on your code, paste it here, and you're done. As you can see, we have the comments here. And even if you shared this to someone else who doesn't know what you did before you share to them, they can come back and see that you accessed the data, it was promoted to header, you changed the data types, and then you removed a certain column called police force, and you did A, B, C, and D, which is very easy and very efficient. That is going to be the end of this lesson. And in the next lesson, we're going to look at generating DAX formulas and also adding comments to those formulas. Thank you so much. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe, and stay safe.